Let's solve one more problem from the gate physics. So the problem states that the temperature dependence of the electrical conductivity of the three intrinsic semiconductor A, B and C is shown in the figure. So let A, EB and EC be the band gaps of A, B, C respectively. Which one of the following relations is correct? So we need to find the correct relation where ln sigma by T inverse plot is given. So for the intrinsic semiconductor, the temperature dependence of the electrical conductivity is given by T is proportional to the Eg by 2 kT, or we can write ln is proportional to minus of Eg by root over 2 kT, right? Taking natural log, we can have ln log is equal to minus Eg by 2k into 1 by T plus constant, right? So this is a straight line with a slope of minus Eg by 2k, right? We have slope of minus Eg by 2k, right? So greater the slope, more negative, the greater is the band gap. So greater the slope means more negative, implies the greater the band gap, implies greater the band gap Eg, right? So from the plot it can be seen that EA has a greater slope compared to EC, and EC have a greater slope compared to EB. So as we can see from the plot that A is having a steep slope, then C, then B. So as per the options are concerned, so option D of the problem is the correct answer of the given problem. Hope the solution is clear. So thanks a lot.